Biden is expected to renew his call for a wealth tax at his State of the Union address. The proposal stalled last year, even with Democrats in full control of Congress. But as Devin Fehely reports, that's not discouraging one Bay Area lawmaker from proposing something similar in Sacramento.
The average effective taxation rate for billionaires is 8%, far below that of working class and middle class Americans across the country. And in California, it's the same way.
The bill introduced by Assemblymember Alex Lee would impose a 1% wealth tax on assets over $50 million and 1.5% on anything in excess of $1 billion. He says it's a matter of fairness.
99.9% of people in this country are not very, very, very rich. They are shouldering the tax burden now, and they want to see those who have an insane amount of money pay what they owe.
A wealth tax would represent a shift in how taxes are assessed, potentially tapping into sources of revenue, like the appreciation and value of unsold stock. But critics say there are philosophical and practical concerns.
To add on a new tax, would actually physically motivate people who earn this much money to just move out of the state.
Lee says the idea that billionaires will simply sidestep the tax and leave the state is overblown.
Study after study shows that it's really middle class and lower income people that move out of states that are high cost because it is high cost. Those that can pay the premium end up staying.
It's not clear how far the president's proposal will go with a divided Congress, or if the idea will catch fire at the state level. But former city councilman Johnny Camas says there's only two ways to balance a budget, and he wishes there was less emphasis on taxation.
There's two sides to the equation. There's the taxing and the spending, and we keep focusing on taxing and never, look, neither Republican nor Democratic administrations want to do the hard work of looking at our spending.
Only time will tell if the president has the political capital to get his wealth tax proposal through Congress.